Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog. Unfortunately, this monster right here left their lights on and it's gonna die. They left it in a park position and only the key can turn off the lights. It's a goddamn shame. Son of a bitch. Who's gonna get around this motherfucker? Thank you, brother. Who's gonna get around these motherfuckers? What is happening? Look at this person just parked right there. Madness. The whole motherfucking shembang bang is madness. Anyway, let's get into the vlog. And I just ran that red light. Like, I don't know what that was about. I actually skidded my rear tire. I'm out of control. I'm out of fucking control. Happy Thursday, everybody. Welcome to the Scatter Vlogs. Hopefully everybody's doing good. It's hot as hell. And it's like 94 degrees. Will this person turn in the Volvo? No. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm gonna get ahead. Just like so, because ain't nobody got time for that. Anywho, today's vlog is actually on topic. How about that? That's a goddamn miracle. It's a gas tank question vlog. Go on the sidewalk like that. Just a little around. Dude. To fly through that. Anyway, today is gas tank question day. God damn, I'm sorry, I can never get to a fucking vlog. Luke the Duke 93 asked me if I could ride any other brand besides Ducati, what would I get? And also, what is my next bike? You know, this question I get all the time. That is literally the most reoccurring question, I would say, for me. And what would be the bike that I would get? Let's think. I'm so hot and I'm so hype about riding fast, where like I'm not even really thinking about this shit. Thank you, brother. I'm just swerving, having fun. All right. So, the long story short is the answer is really simple, because I could go into great detail about like what great companies I'm gonna get, what is my next bike, and yada yada, blada blada, all the things. But the truth is very simple. I really like Ducati. It's to a point where it's not really like logical. Like, I can't really tell you that Ducati is the best brand, the highest quality, the most race pedigree, the best design, the best look, the best feel, the soul, everything. I can give you all those reasons, but none of them are the real reason as to why I'm actually into Ducati so much. The main reason why I'm so into Ducati is I'm not sure what that was about. I guess he's keeping the distance. The main reason I'm so into Ducati is because I just love it so much. The feel of it, that's what I'm into, you know? And the feel of it, the soul of it. And I can't even, like, I'm so much enjoying my bike, my specific bike, the style of it, the power of it, the feel of it, the whole fucking thing, the package, the looks, where all of my energy is focused on actual riding. Like, not to sound like a snob, like, forget the bike, just ride. Because, like, I love my bike so much where I don't spend time, like, I'm never on the internet looking at other bikes. I'm never on the internet, like, shopping around, and, like, whenever I see a new bike, I'm at a point in my life where I don't even go, like, oh, damn, this is what I really fucking want. You know? content. And what is my next bike? What is my next bike? Great question. I would go with like a monster that's a little bit newer. Like 11 Evo. There was a little wheelie there. Like 11 Evo or something. Like, I would literally go like a monster that's like a couple of years ahead of me. I would never go for the S4R, because that's like a little too strung out and too fast. S2R 1000 I could do, but if I was to be asked right now, it would just be another monster. And I'm sorry, I don't know if that even answers the question, but long story short, I like Ducati. I want to stay with Ducati, and I like monsters. I want to stay with monsters and nothing too new. Nothing too new. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.